Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and a good update is coming from West Bengal that the CM of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee ji, has announced 4% hike in Dearness allowances for their government employees and pensioners. So friends, after this announcement, the hike in salary will be seen in government employees and pensioners of West Bengal. So friends, we are seeing that for more than 1 year, the government employees and pensioners of West Bengal are continuously protesting and asking for demand for hike in Dearness allowances. So after this decision, the government employees and pensioners are happy. So this decision is taken after the permission by Calcutta High Court, allowing for the government employees for dharna or protest. So uh, before the government employees and pensioners go to the protest or dharna, the government has decided to increase the allowances. So friends, it's really a good update for government employees and pensioners of West Bengal, and I would like to give another note that the West Bengal government has promised for old pension scheme. This is why the Dearness allowances is not paid timely for many times. So friends, this is total update. If any further update comes, I will get you know. And another update is from many states like Uttarakhand, MP and CZ. Like within 1 to 2 days, the government will announce for hike in Dearness allowances by 4%. So friends, if any further updates comes, I will get you know. Thank you.